birthday. Marangbah. Diabetes, you will get diabetes. Your age is tender like BP. Woo! Yes, hello Khasi people, Kumnopilong Paralog, Shillong Meghalaya. He's from Africa, your African boy Gabs Gabi, and today we have latest music from one and only Doi Doi. That is WANBHAA, guys. So he released one new music by the title. I don't know if I will pronounce properly because it's like KHIAW KBONG. KHIAW KBONG or maybe KHIAW KBONG. Tell me which one is correct. Is it KHIAW KBONG or KHIAW KBONG? Because I still remember when I was learning the Khasi alphabet, like for them the K is silent. Is it in Khasi K is silent? No, I don't think in Khasi K is silent because they have some words like kabang, then K is not silent. So it's like KHIAW KBONG. Okay, KHIAW KBONG, WANBHAA, feed DAPYN, guys. Thank you so much. And I'm still posting my vlogs that I made from Shillong, Meghalaya. So make sure to watch them out, and we'll keep also reacting to the latest new music, guys. So love you all. Let's go. We have Amos Studio, KHIAW KBONG, WANBHAA. By the way, English subtitle is provided, guys. So thank you, WANBHAA, for providing the English. Let's enjoy. I'm seeing Michael. Michael will be here definitely because he's the dancer. Don't be too sugar-coated with what? Don't put too much pride on your beauty. That's true. Hey, don't much pride on your beauty. Never, girl, don't do that. That's true. Diabetes, you will get diabetes. Your age is tender like BP. Woo! Much pride on your beauty, girl. Don't kill yourself because it can go one day. The Holy Spirit to look at very soon. The name of love most left a single parent. Shapu. Let us preserve our Never rush. Take your time, please. Diabetes. Don't cut diabetes, okay? Hey. Don't wanna be Don't be right for your beauty, because one day you're gonna lose it. Don't so bright. amazing. Think of your future, bro. Don't be hasty. How will you think? They are only one for you. Everybody on a shoulder of mother to cry. Don't be the sugar coated world. One pride on your beauty. Diabetes. Age is too tender like BP. Woo! This is my favorite part. Don't be proud for your beauty, because love is sweet. You and with me. Wow, this is so amazing, so informative, and like survive. The whole song is just so amazing. WANBHAA, really, you're doing so good, brother. So what WANBHAA was saying is kind of a inspiring song, informative song at the same time, and awareness song at the same time, because yeah, I love everything. The lyric really make sense. Like, it is really meaningful, guys, especially for those ladies, our sisters of nowadays. You don't know how much pride they have, especially those beautiful one. You know, their pride are really the pride of their beauty. I mean, the pride of their beauty are confusing them so much. They don't know what to do, and they are losing a lot because of the complication of their beauty. It's not bad to be beauty, but don't let the pride, okay? Don't let the pride of your beauty to take you or to lose something valuable to you. And yeah. I love that part where he's saying love is so sweet. So don't take it too much. You will end up catching diabetes. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was really amazing. That was really amazing music. And I just love, like, you know, WANBHAA, how whenever he's saying, his face expression. And what also I love the most, like most of his music video, like the recent one that he does, like always it's just so interesting to watch. Like, at the same time, the lyrics, the beat, and you know, the dancers, especially there, he has a very good dancers, which really make the music so ginger. You know, ginger, we Africans say ginger when something really make you hot. The music is so ginger, bro. Yeah. So that is it. Thank you so much. And yeah, love from Africa, guys. Let's keep supporting, show, and share love. Peace out.